Greetings from Trending Farm. Ever wondered how smoked sausages get from the farm to your plate? In this documentary, we explore the remarkable journey from pig farm to processing facility, highlighting the craftsmanship and care behind each step. But don't look away. Let's get started. In this farming documentary, the pig farming industry in the United States is a cornerstone of the nation's agricultural economy, producing over 130 million pigs annually and contributing significantly to global pork supply. Major pig-producing states include Iowa, which leads the nation with nearly 24 million pigs, followed by North Carolina, Minnesota, and Illinois. These states boast ideal conditions for large-scale farming, including access to grain and transportation infrastructure. American pig farming primarily uses modern, intensive methods with operations ranging from small family farms to expansive facilities housing thousands of pigs. Pig farms in the United States range from small operations with 500 pigs to large-scale facilities housing over 20,000. These farms are divided into areas for sows, breeding pigs, and piglets, with sows typically having individual stalls for breeding and farrowing, while piglets are raised in climate-controlled nurseries. The barns are designed with slatted floors for waste management and automated systems for feeding and watering. Farm owners describe managing 2 to 3 breeding cycles per sow annually and raising 8 to 12 piglets per litter as rewarding yet demanding. They highlight using technology to maintain biosecurity and ensure the health and welfare of the animals in this farming documentary. Transporting pigs to food factories in the farming documentaries begins with selecting healthy animals that meet weight requirements, typically between 240 to 280 pounds, ensuring they are ready for processing. Loading involves guiding pigs onto specialized transport trucks, equipped with 3-tier compartments, climate control, and anti-slip surfaces to ensure safety and comfort. These trucks often travel distances of 50 to 150 miles, depending on the farm's proximity to the factory, with routes optimized for efficiency. Upon arrival, Pigs are gently unloaded into holding areas where they rest to recover from transit, ensuring calmness and reducing muscle fatigue before processing. The pork processing process in modern food factories is streamlined with advanced machinery that enhances speed and efficiency. High-capacity processing lines can handle up to 600 pigs per hour, a significant improvement over manual methods that processed fewer than 100. Automated systems handle tasks such as cleaning, dehairing, and cutting, ensuring precision and hygiene. Bristle brushing machines and high-temperature sterilizers maintain food safety standards. Workers interviewed on site highlight the importance of their roles in monitoring machines and maintaining quality. They express pride in contributing to a system that has transformed production, allowing factories to meet growing demand while ensuring product consistency. Producing smoked sausage in the United States involves advanced machinery and technology, with facilities often requiring investments of 5 to 10 million USD to establish state-of-the-art production lines in the farming documentary. These lines can produce up to 20,000 pounds of sausage per day, combining automated grinding, mixing, stuffing, and smoking systems. American smoked sausage stands out for its balance of tradition and innovation, using unique blends of spices and premium meats to create a distinct, smoky flavor. Unlike many countries, U.S., and producers employ precision-controlled smoking chambers and quality assurance systems to maintain consistency. This attention to detail makes American smoked sausage a global favorite for its taste and quality. Smoked sausage is a beloved part of American cuisine, with over 1.5 billion pounds consumed annually. This level of demand translates to billions in economic value, comparable to owning thousands of luxury supercars or massive reserves of gold and silver. Consumers appreciate smoked sausage for its signature smoky flavor, versatility in various dishes, and convenience. making it a favorite for both everyday meals and special occasions. The industry's success is often highlighted in farming documentaries, showcasing the meticulous process from raising pigs to crafting high-quality sausages. And these documentaries emphasize the dedication of farmers and producers, the advanced technology used, and the cultural significance of smoked sausage in the U.S. As demand grows, the industry continues to innovate, ensuring sustainable production and expanding its reach into global markets. With its strong foundation and widespread popularity, the future of the U.S. smoked sausage industry looks bright. Cashmere goats, with their extraordinary qualities, have been celebrated for centuries. These remarkable animals are primarily raised in the high-altitude regions of Asia, particularly in China, Mongolia, and Afghanistan, where the harsh climates contribute to the development of their prized fur. There are around 12 distinct breeds of cashmere goats globally, each adapted to its local environment. Known for producing ultra-soft, lightweight, and insulating fibers, cashmere goats supply over 15 million tons of wool annually, meeting the demand of fashion houses and luxury markets worldwide. Experts commend cashmere for its unmatched warmth-to-weight ratio, making it a top choice for premium textiles. Beyond wool, these goats contribute to global agriculture by providing up to 20 million tons of nutrient-rich milk and playing an essential role in the meat industry. Cashmere goats have a well-defined breeding season, typically occurring in late fall when the shorter daylight hours naturally stimulate reproduction. This timing ensures that the kids are born in spring when conditions are most favorable for their growth and survival. Female goats, or does, have a gestation period lasting approximately 145 to 155 days. Each pregnancy can result in 1 to 4 offspring, though twins are the most common. Like the pig's farm, once the kids are born, farmers prioritize their warmth and safety. Newborn goats are often placed in clean, dry enclosures to protect them from harsh weather. They are encouraged to nurse within the first hours of life to receive colostrum, which is essential for boosting their immune systems and ensuring a healthy start. Unlike a pig's farm, the diet of cashmere goats on the farm is carefully managed to ensure their health and optimal wool production. Their primary food sources include natural forage such as grass, hay, and leaves. To meet their nutritional needs, farmers supplement this with grains, bran, and protein-rich feeds like soybeans or sunflower seed meal. The quantity of feed is adjusted based on the goat's life stages and activity levels. Adult goats typically require approximately 3 to 5% of their body weight in dry matter daily. This balance helps maintain their health while supporting the growth of their luxurious wool. Modern machinery plays a significant role in streamlining feeding processes. Automatic hay balers and grain dispensers ensure consistent portions. While automated mixers blend nutrients evenly for optimal feed quality. Mobile feeders also allow for efficient distribution across large herds. Grazing is a critical component of cashmere goat care. Providing them with the necessary nutrients for optimal health and wool production. Typically, cashmere goats require about 2 to 3 acres of grazing land per goat. Though this can vary depending on factors such as pasture quality and climate. Farmers often employ rotational grazing, where goats are moved between different grazing areas to allow for proper land recovery and prevent overgrazing. This method ensures that goats have access to fresh, nutrient-rich pastures throughout the grazing season, which is especially important for wool growth. In regions with harsh winters, farmers supplement grazing with hay, grains, and other feed to maintain nutritional balance. Mongolian farmers use a traditional yet highly effective method for harvesting Kashmir goat hair. Known for its precision and care. Each spring, during the shedding season, Mongolian herders manually combed the goats to collect the fine undercoat, or cashmere, without damaging the animal's outer coat. This process, often done by hand, involves using specialized combs or tools to gently remove the soft, downy fibers, while leaving the longer outer hairs intact. The herders work carefully to avoid causing discomfort to the goats, ensuring a humane and stress-free experience. After harvesting, Kashmir goat hair is sent to factories for processing. The first step is washing the raw wool to remove dirt, oils, and impurities using gentle water-based methods to preserve the fiber's softness. Once washed, the wool is dried, and the fine cashmere fibers are separated from the coarser outer hairs through dehairing. This ensures only the softest fibers are used. Next, the fibers are carded, a process that aligns them into a smooth, uniform material. The fibers are then spun into yarn, which is dyed and woven into fabric. The entire process is carefully controlled to maintain the exceptional quality and warmth that Kashmir is known for. Customers often praise the softness, warmth, and luxurious feel of the material. Many highlight how Kashmir provides exceptional comfort without being heavy or bulky, making it perfect for year-round wear. Kashmir garments, like sweaters and scarves, are also appreciated for their versatility. Buyers enjoy wearing them for both casual and formal occasions due to their stylish appearance and cozy feel. However, some reviews mention the higher price of Kashmir compared to other fabrics. This reflects the premium quality and labor-intensive process behind its production. Does female goats start producing milk immediately after kidding, and their lactation period typically lasts for 6 to 8 months. with peak milk production occurring within the first few weeks after birth. On the farm, the milk collection process is often done using modern, efficient milking systems. Many farms use automatic milking machines, which are designed to gently and efficiently extract milk from the goats. These systems consist of soft suction tubes that are attached to the goat's udder, providing a comfortable experience for the animal while ensuring hygienic milk collection. Some smaller or more traditional farms may still milk goats by hand, though automatic systems are becoming more common due to their efficiency. The process of turning milk into cheese in factories is a carefully controlled procedure that typically takes about 150 minutes, or roughly 2.5 hours. The process begins with the pasteurization of the milk, where it is heated to kill any harmful bacteria. This typically takes around 30 minutes. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled and then mixed with cultures of beneficial bacteria that help acidify the milk. Rennet is added to coagulate the milk, separating it into curds and whey. The curds are cut and stirred, which helps release more whey and form a firmer texture. The curds are then cooked and drained, a process that usually lasts about 60 to 90 minutes, depending on the type of cheese being made. Finally, the curds are pressed to remove excess whey, and the cheese is salted before being aged, if necessary. The entire process from milk to cheese formation is typically completed in about 150 minutes, though aging the cheese can take much longer. The process of processing lamb in a factory begins with humane handling to reduce stress. Afterward, the lambs are chilled to prevent bacterial growth, and the internal organs are removed. The carcasses are then divided into cuts, such as shoulder, rack, and leg, and further processed, trimmed, and packaged. The meat is inspected for quality and safety before being stored under controlled temperatures. Similarly, processing on a pig's farm follows strict standards to ensure the meat is handled efficiently and safely. Goat meat is a lean, nutrient-dense option with about 122 calories and 23 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. It is lower in fat than beef or pork, containing just 2.6 grams of fat, making it a healthier choice. It also provides important nutrients like 2.4 milligrams of iron, 4.5 milligrams of zinc, and 0.4 micrograms of vitamin B12 per serving. The flavor is mildly sweet and slightly gamey, absorbing spices and marinades well. Goat meat is versatile, ideal for dishes like stews, curries, and roasts, and becomes tender and flavorful when cooked slowly, similar to pork from famous pigs' farms. Before the video ends, don't forget to subscribe to Trending Farm channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our pigs farm documentaries.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions we are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.